Welcome to our review of the StarTech.com 8-port Rackmount KVM console. This innovative product is designed to maximize space efficiency and enhance security in data centers and server environments. The integrated design combines a KVM switch and a 19-inch active matrix TFT LCD monitor into a single 1U rack mount unit, making it a smart choice for professionals looking to streamline their server management setup. At the heart of this product lies an 8-port VGA KVM switch equipped with 6-foot cables for convenient reach. The console sports a crisp 1280 by 1024 resolution on its 19-inch display. The unit is complemented by a full 99-key keyboard complete with a numeric keypad and trackpad, ensuring comprehensive functionality. Additionally, the support for USB 2.0 further broadens its compatibility with a range of devices. One of the product's most striking features is its robust security and professional usability. It boasts customizable hotkeys and an intuitive on-screen display, OSD, that allows users to easily navigate through its functions. With multi-level user security, individual user access levels, and port permissions, the console is ideal for environments where data security and controlled access are paramount. The built-in auto-scan feature further enhances its operational ease, swiftly cycling through connected ports to monitor system performance. The design of the StarTech.com KVM console deserves special mention. Not only does it incorporate an integrated power supply, but it also saves valuable rack space by fitting into a compact 1U unit. The mounting dimensions range from 23.8 inches to 35 inches in depth, ensuring that it accommodates a variety of rack setups. Its heavy-duty construction, built with durable steel and designed to endure temperatures from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, is backed by an impressive MTBF of 50,000 hours. This suggests that the product is built to last, even under rigorous operating conditions. In real-life scenarios, users have praised the unit for its efficiency and reliability. The combination of an integrated KVM and console reduces clutter and simplifies workflow, while the ergonomic design makes extended operation less fatiguing. However, like any product, there are a few drawbacks to consider. For instance, the reliance on VGA connections might be seen as somewhat dated compared to modern digital interfaces. Still, for environments already running on these standards, it remains an optimal choice. When comparing this product with similar offerings in the market, the StarTech.com console stands out due to its blend of space-saving design, versatility, and high-security features. For those considering this unit, my tip is to ensure your environment's dimensions and connection requirements align with the product specifications to maximize its benefits. Overall, the StarTech.com 8-port rack-mount KVM console is a dependable and feature-rich solution, ideal for IT professionals, data center managers, and anyone looking to maintain organized control over multiple servers. Thank you for watching, and happy